Hey guys, this is a 2009 Honda Pilot, and as you can see my headlights are really cloudy right here, especially this top spot, but this quadrant right here is super bad. You can't even see through it. It feels a little rough. I know, I've washed the car and it doesn't do anything, but you can see down here is a lot clearer. So I've watched some videos online that says if you just use like toothpaste, whitening toothpaste and a toothbrush and scrub it a little bit, it'll get better. So I'm gonna try it out and see if that's true or not. I got this toothpaste right here. I don't know where I got it from, but it's just laying around the house, so I'm just gonna use this. Let's see. I'm about to get really dirty here.
Just use your hands. Just put it in.
Oh, I have to rub it in.
Why, you could just rub it in?
Yeah, I saw other people use like their hands. Oh, minty.
Make sure it's extra whitening, they said, right?
Yeah, this doesn't actually say extra whitening. It just says sensitive.
Damn it, we used the wrong one.
This one doesn't say extra whitening.
Well, if that doesn't work, we have this one. So we can try it.
So I've generously sprayed it. I could use my hands, but I don't really want to. So let's see, I'm just gonna give this a lather. It's minty. So I'm just doing the top part because the top part is the one that's like foggy.
It doesn't seem like the color of the toothpaste is
Changing?
changing.
This is not teeth whitening, maybe. I don't even brush my own teeth this long. Jeez. So I've been scrubbing for like 5 minutes now. It feels like it's drying out, and we're gonna spray some water and wipe it off and see what happens.
Scrub.
Oh, we're gonna scrub? Are you supposed to?
People on other videos
It looks
with the paste becomes like yellow and brown. Ours still kind of white.
yeah.
So maybe it's not dirty from the outside.
Yeah, so they said it could be from the inside, that it's like
Let's look at the
not
toothbrush.
clear.
Yeah, see. Okay, let's wipe it off. Or should we let it sit for a little bit?
We should have done this during the summer when we had a hose.
Ready?
I guess. Spray?
No, just wipe it.
Looks a little better. Can't really tell, but looks a little better. Did you take a picture earlier or just a video? Or before and after?
I think I did take a picture.
Yeah, it does look a little better. I can actually see inside now. Just gotta clean it off.
Okay, take a tube.
Yeah, I see a difference.
I mean, it's a little yellow, but not that yellow.
I do see a difference actually. Okay.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah, it looks better.
Oh,
Wow.
I can see your face.
Now you can see my face. toothbrush is pretty hard. Toothpaste is hard to take off the car, apparently.
You know what? You could probably use like a magic eraser.
Yeah, magic eraser.
But that might do some harm. Ready?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
It's clear. Wow, this crap works. Look at that, I can actually see inside. Earlier I couldn't see this much.
Should we do the other one? Let's do the other one.
Alright, so we're doing the other headlight now because the results look pretty good. But you know what? We heard, what's this, baking what?
Baking soda. If it's not abrasive enough.
If it's not abrasive enough, baking soda. So, spraying some baking soda on. We're kicking this up another notch. So, wow, it really thickens things quite a bit. Here we go. We only got some on the top there. Here, why don't I just put some more on this? Yeah. It thickens things, for sure. So now it's like rubbing glue all over it
I
now.
hope we didn't put too much.
Because we've seen people use toothpaste with baking soda, and apparently it enhances the results. So we're willing to try anything on this car. It's old. See what happens.
We love this car.
Yeah, it's been great.
Great car. If anyone wants to buy
A family car that's reliable, roomy. That's the most important thing. This car is super roomy. It can seat 8 people. Minivans can't even do that. They can only seat 7. 3 rows, 8 people, with a little bit of room for luggage, with the 8 people, or lots of
Why didn't you get this spot right there?
luggage space if you only seat 5.
And a car that actually looks cool. It doesn't look like a minivan, right?
Yeah, this doesn't look like a minivan. I think the new Pilot that just came out looks more like a minivan,
Oh, yeah?
but yeah, this one is still
Yeah,
boxy.
is it too, maybe it's too thick. It might not be good for this. Okay.
Now it's a lot more watery.
Our neighbor's like, what are we doing?
We're brushing our headlights.
Okay, is it done? We've been brushing for a while now.
Yeah, but we just put the baking soda on.
Well, hurry up, my battery's running. No.
Okay, we're done. Let's wipe this clean and see how it looks.
Alright, here we go. Cheese break? Yeah, there we go.
Ooh,
How's that look?
looks nice. See your face again.
That means it's working.
Yes.
I think it's just dirty. Do we need to spray it one more time?
Hold on. Sorry. Okay, multitask. Ready?
Let me wipe it and then some more.
Wow. I think this one looks better than the first one.
Well, is it the baking powder? Wow, that looks
Wow.
nice.
So we'll show you the
Wow.
before and after picture.
Holy crap, it looks new.
Sophie, everyone's taking pictures.
Wow. What a difference.
Yeah, so
Yeah. So
Works.
yeah, this thing actually works. So basically, household items, right? Just some used toothpaste that you don't want anymore.
Make sure it's whitening or a
Yeah,
paste.
they recommend the paste,
Don't use-
not the gel.
No, don't use the gel.
Yeah, and just an old toothbrush. Apply it and scrub it, and that's it. That's all it takes. And you'll have new looking headlights like this. Wow.
Well, newer. I mean, I guess you can still.
Yeah, this is only the one application. So can you imagine doing a few applications? So it's pretty good. Alright, if you found this video helpful, you know, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button, give us your feedback. If there's another method that you guys use or prefer, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Look at that. That looks nice, right? Okay, thanks.